everybody, it's Miss Fitzpatrick here, second grade at Station Camp. I have two helpers today helping me. I have Cullen and I have Aaron. We are going to do an experiment called fireworks in a jar. So what you will need for this is some vegetable oil. I have a jar here full of water already. You can kind of see the water. I have an empty glass. I have my tablespoon and then a spoon to stir. And I also have food coloring, which they're going to help me with that. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to fill up, we're gonna use 4 tablespoons of oil and we're gonna put it in the empty glass. So you all wanna help me count out 4?
Yep.
All right, ready? This is number 1. So we're gonna dump it into the glass. This is what number? 2. This is 3. And we have 4 tablespoons of oil. So I'm gonna put this over here. And now we're done with our oil. So I'm gonna set this aside so everybody can see. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to put food coloring into the glass of oil. So, Aaron, you wanna help me out? Which color do you wanna do first? You wanna do green? Okay, so let me take the lid off. All right, Aaron, we're gonna probably put 4 to 5 drops, if this all goes well, into the glass of oil. So, Aaron, hold the food coloring, and we're gonna dump it over here, and we're gonna count. Let's see, 1, 2, and I want you to pay attention to what the food coloring is doing as we're dropping it. 3, 4, let's do 1 more. 5, good job. All right, Aaron, you wanna do yellow now?
What is happening?
What is happening, Cullen? What do you see down there? Do you see it? Did the food coloring just drop to the bottom?
Yep.
Okay. So in a minute, I'll tell you why we are thinking this drops to the bottom. So we're going to count out 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good job, Aaron. Thank you so much. All right, now we're going to go on and we're going to do the blue and the red, Cullen, okay? So your turn. I'm gonna help you hold it. You got it? You can squeeze in. Go on. Kind of squeeze. 1. Go ahead. 2.
2.
Can you see?
3.
Push a little harder. 3. 4.
4.
And 5. Good job. All right, let's do the red.
I
Okay, so all this food coloring is going to the bottom, and it's because the water and oil are different. They have different density. Meaning, ready? It's okay. It's okay. You can just wipe over here. Here. Hold that for a second and I'll wipe your finger. It's okay. Hold this. All right. We're good. All right, so here we go. Let's count out 5. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
You can do 1 more if you want. Good job. All right. Okay, so in these 2 substances are different, meaning the water is a heavier density, so it is going to go to the bottom.
I don't see no.
So what we can do, you can kind of watch, and I'm going to kind of stir it, and you can kind of see that it's not. Yeah, you can stir. You can see that it's not really mixing. It's maybe breaking into smaller particles, but it's still not mixing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the oil. Thank you, buddy.
No, can I see?
You wanna see it? You wanna see it?
No,
Oh, you wanna stir it too? Okay. All right, go ahead, stir it for just a second. Okay, good job. All right, do you notice it's not mixing, Aaron? Yeah, pretty cool, huh? All right, so watch what happens when I pour this glass of oil into the water. Since the water is heavier, you're gonna notice that the food coloring is a water base, so it's going to hopefully fall through the oil, and the oil is gonna stay at the top of the water. So Cullen and Aaron, you wanna go on that side? I'm gonna put the paper up in just a minute, so and you can kind of see, don't you? All right, so I'm pouring, and you can kind of see the oil going to the top. So it's gonna float to the top. And you can kind of see that the, I'll put the paper up so you can see a little bit better, but you can see that the food coloring is creating fireworks in the jar because it's going to the bottom. So it's pretty cool.
Like, can I stir it?
Well, we're not gonna start right now. We're just watching it make fireworks. Each time the food coloring is coming down.
I wanted to put
Y'all see it right here?
I wanted to put the whole thing.
I know, but we're not gonna put the whole thing in there.
Oh.
So if you want to do this at home, you'll need the jar of water and some food coloring and some oil. All right, Kellen. All right, Kellen. What do you see? What colors do you see, Kellen? Wow, look at them all falling. Do you see it with the white paper, Kellen?
Yep.
What colors do you see falling? The fireworks. Do you see the fireworks coming down?
Mhm.
Oh,
We're
look
just
at it really falling now. You see? Look at it, Aaron. You
Hey,
see
is this pretend?
it? Well, this is an experiment. So we're getting to see that these substances are different, and you can see that the water is heavier, so it's falling to the bottom, and it's creating this cool firework in the water. All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get to do this at home, okay? We miss you, and look forward to seeing you again.